Hi Thrive community, it is Dr. Brianna Tivy with Thrive Chiropractic, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about exercises that you can use at home to help manage pain associated with plantar fasciitis, or pain that's involved in the arch of your foot, particularly at that point right where the arch hits the heel. And the plantar fascia is basically a sheet of tissue that goes along the arch of your foot. And if you think about your foot like a tripod, with this being at the front and this being the heel, the plantar fascia runs like a sheet between these 3 points. And it can get irritated through various activities or lack of support. And so that's when people end up getting pain through the arch and into that insertion point in the heel. So these exercises are meant to help manage some of that discomfort involved with plantar fasciitis. So the first exercise that we're going to have you do involves just putting a towel on the floor and taking your toes and trying to gather that towel and scrunch your toes. And every time you pull that towel with your toes, it's considered 1 repetition. And you're going to do this 10 repetitions on each foot, and then rest for a minute or 2 in between and do that again. So just scrunching the towel with your toes 2 times 10 repetitions. The second one involves getting on a step, and I have a little bit of a makeshift step here, but you're gonna get onto a step with the front of your foot, and then you're gonna simply drop your heel down below the level of that step and then push back up. And drop down as far as you can go. Obviously, I can't get too low with this apparatus, but on a staircase, you can drop really low, and you're just gonna drop down and back up for 10 repetitions, and again, rest and do another 10, so 2 times 10 repetitions. And then the way that I like to conclude these exercises is with a water bottle, preferably frozen, because then that acts as an icing mechanism as well to help with inflammation. But you simply put this water bottle on the floor and roll it through the arch of the foot. And so this will help loosen up that tissue and ice the tissue, and you want to pay special attention to focus on that insertion point at the heel and really roll and massage through there. And you can do that for a minute or 2 every day, and you can do it several times a day if you're really having a flare-up of pain. So again, we want to do the towel scrunches, the stair drops, and the rolling of the water bottle to help manage the pain associated with plantar fasciitis. And of course, as always, if you're in the clinic and you have more questions about plantar fasciitis, please feel free to ask the docs. We're always happy to help. Until next time, be well.